I'm shook. I'm still shaking because it's the PBA.
This is the most fun week of the year.
Hopefully. No, it is fun, regardless of how we bowled the last 2 years and finished 10th and last and had the first pick in the draft. But it's going to work out for us this year because we got Marshall at the helm.
We're going to win.
We got Kyle. We got the Tang brothers, of course.
Buy the merch.
And we picked up old Patrick Hanrahan. My man's telling me that he loves League. He can't convince me otherwise.
And I just love bowling no matter where I am.
If League was only 3 games, it'd be all right.
Promote the sport that we love. I love bowling.
Oh, I'm promoting it, just in a little different way.
Through hate. He's promoting it through hate.
A guy came into my chat, he said, I work at a Bolero. My boss told me that I'm not allowed to wear this shirt to work.
As he shouldn't be, because it's promoting hate.
I wanna know if there's anyone out there that has been deterred from bowling because they read that shirt. Also, they might not be talking about Bowling League. They might be talking about League of Legends. Where's the oil? Where's the oil? Where's the oil? Yo, these pins fall like string pins. I've never seen your ball get into the lane so clean. Looks like 300 to me. I've only seen that ball 10 pin.
That's what mine does.
You gotta get it to pick up like a...
Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. That would be phenomenal. It has been too long. Here. There we go. I got 6 balls that look pretty good. For me, I'm just trying to get sharp repetition-wise again. I came prepared. I got like the full arsenal. God damn. Who needs to drill? Not me.
We're not going to be bowling this month. We're already in game like 16 of Baker.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably bowl the whole time, so when people start packing up. I'll just take a couple balls that look good and then move across the house.
How's the practice going so far?
It is at the point to where a lot of guys think they're not even going to get close to tomorrow, but there's always a chance on the PBA Tour. We've got 10 teams, 10 lanes. It's going to be round robin, so it might turn into 10 different patterns. Dude, it's free! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! All right, does it do that on other lanes? I don't know, man. It's hooking for free off the gutter.
When did you find that look?
Like 3 shots ago. There's probably no way in hell we're playing there, but
I don't think it's a look.
they're laughing at my boy.
As I said, I think it's a left.
We're starting the festivities early. You're on the right team now. You gotta give them the. Yeah, this lane's a little earlier in that spot. You wanna go bowling? Is it your time? Oh, double 5. That was the tits. Oh. Like I said, 10 different teams, 10 different lanes, 10 different patterns. I see why they banned that ball. All right, nice. A lot of options. Hopefully we pick the right ones tomorrow. Don't know what the lineup's gonna be, but Packy's probably bowling 5th. These are ours. These are ours. Kyle's gonna go drill a ball. I need to go put the rest of my stuff away. We'll go for emotional support because I don't need anything. To the truck. What's up, bro? Yeah. Yep. Hall of Fame.
Not bad. How are we doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Very good.
Nice, not busy. No balls, no balls, no balls. Before?
Sweaty, man. Load up the truck.
Don't give a shit.
Really?
Any day. Packy, Packy, Packy. Kingpin. All right, cool. That's practice day here at the PBA League. We're gonna get it done this time. Packy's gonna do his thing. We're gonna do our thing. Team chemistry, I think, is the best in this entire thing. We all both college about the same time. Can't really ask for more. Talented guys. Let's get it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you like it. Make sure you comment. Let us know who your favorite to win is, and we'll see you for qualifying.